Here's the question. How do I know who posted the question on Quora? And I'm going to show you the answer to this question using the web browser, in this case, Chrome on my MacBook, but I'm also show you how to use the mobile app to figure out who posted the question on Quora. If you're on the home page of Quora and you're looking at questions, just click the three dots and go to question log. That's the key thing, view question log. And when you view the question log, depending upon how old this question is, you're going to have to scroll down a little or a whole lot. In this case, I didn't have to go very far to see the question was added by Kent Smith. And I can sort of kind of validate that again by going to Kent Smith, go to his questions, and there it is there. And there's the three dots again, view question log. That's what you're looking for. So from the home page, viewing a question, you can click on the three dots and you go down to view question log, and it'll tell you the question was added by Amy. Now, by the way, if the log says the question was added by anonymous, that means one of two things. Either the question was added by somebody using anonymous back in the day when you could do that. You can't do that anymore. Or the question was added by somebody who has subsequently either left Quora or been kicked off of Quora, and that's why they'll say anonymous. You won't see that very much anymore. That's the answer to the question, the three dots. And by the way, if you're looking at answers and you're reading an answer, go down to an actual answer, and you click the three dots on the answer, you're not going to get the same thing. The three dots on the answer will show you the log. This is the answer log, not the question log. So I'm only going to be able to see the answer was added by this person. I repeat, if you want to know who wrote the question, view the question and hit the three dots, and you can go view question log, and that will give you the answer. Now, I'm going to show you the same thing using the mobile app. Okay, I'm on my iPhone. I'm in the Quora app. And the question is, how do I know who wrote the question? So from the home page, questions for you, what's the best way to drive traffic to a new blog? Again, the three dots on the right, and I can view question details. And again, depending upon how long this has been out there, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, this question was added by this person down here, Rahim Josh. Go back to the top, find another question. Here's a question here, questions for you. Why does the author blah, blah, blah? Hit the three dots, view question details. Again, depending on how old it is, scroll all the way to the bottom. Question was added by Hera. So again, if you're looking at an answer and you're viewing an answer on the mobile app, just as on the web browser, if I hit the three dots on any answer or any other piece of content besides the question, I'm going to get log. And log is, in this case, going to be the answer log. And depending upon how many edits, et cetera, I'll see that this answer is added by Owain. Questions are, the log is up top and it's view question details. Hey, I'm Teddy. I've been using Quora for a long time, and I hope this information is helpful for you.